Welcome to our virtual open house for the State Route 70 Continuous Passing Lanes project in Yuba County. I'm Caltrans Project Manager Cameron Knudsen. Thank you for your interest in this important project. Your input is critical to us and we look forward to receiving your feedback. We've created a series of short videos outlining the overall project, the environmental process, the right-of-way process, and the proposed design. I'd like to start with an overview. This project supplements the Yuba 70 safety project by adding continuous passing lanes to achieve a 4-lane highway with 2 lanes in each direction, 8-foot shoulders, and a continuous 2-way left turn lane from Laurelland Road to South Honka Creek Bridge at the Yuba County line. The project is needed because there are operational and safety concerns along the corridor. Improved reliability of State Route 70 corridor is needed to prevent lost revenues of local industries due to accidents or operational deficiencies. With the addition of the continuous passing lanes, a 34% reduction of fatality and injury collisions is expected. This presentation is to present current project information and to give the public an opportunity to submit comments and questions for the official administrative record in the environmental document. The official comment period for the draft environmental document is from April 1st, 2020 to May 15th, 2020. You can send your comments, your written comments can be directly mailed to California Department of Transportation, Environmental Management M3 Branch at 703 B Street, Marysville, California 95901. Attention, Yuba 70 Continuous Passing Lanes Project. Or you can send an email to yuba.70.passing.lanes.project@dot.ca.gov. The current schedule for the project is as follows. We released the draft environmental document in April of 2020. The final environmental document will be complete in June of 2020, and we will begin the final design process in June of 2020. The right-of-way process will begin in August of 2020, and construction is scheduled to begin in July of 2021, with construction being completed in December of 2023. The estimated total project cost for the passing lanes project is $36 million. If you have any general questions or comments about the project, please send them to the project mailing or email address and we'll get back to you. Your participation in this project is important to us. Thank you for watching.